Health insurance in 2026 is no longer just about having a policy. It's about how smart your coverage really is when a medical emergency hits. So one plan that keeps getting talked about as a game changer is HDFC Ergo Optima Secure. But does it actually live up to the hype in 2026, or is it just good on paper? So in this video, I will give you a complete and honest breakdown of HDFC Ergo Optima Secure for 2026. We will look at its network hospital, claim settlement experience, eligibility criteria, core features, and the unique benefits that make this plan different. And I'll also explain how your sum insured can grow up to 4x coverage and walk you through its variants and option riders. And finally, I will share my unbiased verdict on whether this plan is truly worth considering in 2026 or not. So before we begin, let me quickly introduce myself. So hi, I'm Mariam and I represent PolicyHub. And at PolicyHub, we make insurance simple and easy to understand. And if you have any question or need personal guidance, you can schedule your free consultation with us and link is given in the description. So first, let's talk about HDFC Ergo. So it was born as a joint venture back in 2007 between HDFC Limited and Ergo International AG. In terms of ownership, HDFC today holds 51% while Ergo holds close to 49%. And how big is HDFC Ergo Health Insurance Company today? So they have got more than 16,000 plus network hospitals for cashless treatment. And in terms of claims, their CSR is 99%. Now, let's see who can actually get this plan. Adults can join from 18 years onwards and there's a no maximum age limit. Kids are covered from 91 days up to 25 years and the sum insured begins at 5 lakh and goes all the way up to 2 crore. And premium are divided in two zones, tier 1 and tier 2. And the policy tenure is available for 1 to maximum 3 years. And HDFC Ergo Optima Secure also provides variant under this plan, Optima Secure Global and Optima Secure Global Plus. And this plan is specifically designed for individuals who frequently travel overseas. And to purchase these variants, a pre-medical test is mandatory and the sum insured start from 25 lakh and up to 2 crore. But that's not all. In HDFC Ergo Optima Secure, there is no limit on room rent or ICU charges. Pre-hospitalization expenses covered for 60 days. Post-hospitalization for 180 days are covered. Organ donor expenses, IU's treatment, domiciliary hospitalization, home care treatment, robotic surgeries, road ambulance, all included up to the sum insured. And rather than that, HDFC Ergo Optima Secure gives you unique benefits that truly matters when it comes to financial protection. So the first is the secure benefit. So let's understand this benefit with an example. So let's say you have purchased a policy with a base sum insured of 10 lakh. Now imagine a situation where major surgery pushes your treatment cost up to the 20 lakh. Normally, you had been scrambling to arrange the extra 10 lakh, but with the secure benefit, your base cover doubles from day one. Means your 10 lakh instantly become 20 lakh without any waiting period, without any extra cost. And this automatic boost can be a true lifesaver during high-cost medical emergencies. Another feature of this plan is super secure benefit. So in this, it is mandatory to make a 3-year payment at once, and in return, you receive triple coverage from day one. Means your 10 lakh sum insured instantly becomes 30 lakh from day one. And then there's the restoration benefit, which ensure you never run out of coverage in the same policy year. For instance, if one family member uses the entire 10 lakh sum insured for a critical illness and later in the year another member needs hospitalization or even the same person requires more care, then this plan restores the full sum insured automatically. And the plus benefit adds another layer of long-term value. Every year you stay insured, your sum insured increases by 50% and it keeps growing until it reaches double your original sum insured. So your 10 lakh becomes 15 lakh after 1 year, 20 lakh in the next year. And the best part, even if you make a claim, your bonus remain untouched. And that means continued growth and consistent protection without penalties. Lastly, unique feature is Protect benefit. It takes care of the smaller expenses, often overlooked costs. Items like PPE kit, gloves, syringes, and other consumables, which most policies don't cover. And it can cost you for 20 to 25% of your hospital bill. So with Protect benefit, those non-payable expenses are covered up to the sum insured. And together, these 5 features make HDFC Ergo Optima Secure a unique plan. And now let's see how a 10 lakh sum insured can grow up to 40 lakhs automatically and without any extra premium. So with super secure benefit, if you pay a 3-year premium at once, your 10 lakh becomes 30 lakh from day one. And with restore benefit, you will get additional 10 lakh sum insured as restored. So your 30 lakh become 40 lakh. So all this come without paying any extra premium for riders, as it's a unique feature that no other insurer offer in the market. And just choose the right plan and payment option and your coverage will grow automatically. And in HDFC Ergo Optima Secure Health Insurance, real strength is not only in the base plan, it's also in the option riders. These riders are what that turn a policy into something that actually fits your life. So instead of just listening features, I'll walk you through them with examples so you can picture how they work in everyday situation. Let's start with the My Health Critical Illness benefit. This rider provides a lump sum payout if you are diagnosed with any of 51 major illnesses like cancer, stroke or heart attack. Think about it, if someone is diagnosed with cancer, they don't just get hospital bills covered. They receive an immediate amount they can use for treatment or anything else they need. Next is the hospital cash benefit. This one gives you a fixed daily amount during hospitalization and then aggregate deductible option. Now think of this as a handling the small bill by yourself, so the insurance company is stepping only the bigger ones. By doing this, your premium becomes much more affordable. It's especially useful if you already have a corporate policy and you can choose a deductible amount anywhere from 25,000 to maximum 5 lakh, and your premium reduces based on the option you pick. And one of the most popular option is the unlimited restoration benefit. This allow you to reuse your sum insured multiple times in a year. And the individual personal accident cover is also worth nothing. In case of accidental death or disability, it provides a lump sum payout to your family, ensuring financial security during unexpected tragedy. And for those who believe in prevention rather than cure, then Optima Wellbeing add-on covers OPD consultation, yoga classes, fitness program, diagnostics and more. You can show it on screen, all on a cashless basis. And it's perfect for families who want to stay healthy while managing daily medical expenses without the hassle of reimbursement. And now the exciting part is that HDFC Ergo recently introduced 3 new riders that finally fix some long-standing complaints people had, like maternity coverage was missing earlier. So imagine a young couple who had been paying premiums for years, only to find maternity was not covered when they needed it most. So that's now solved with the parenthood rider. Parenthood rider not only covers maternity expenses but even IVF treatment, giving couples financial support during one of life's most important stages. Another common frustration was the long waiting period for pre-existing disease like asthma, diabetes, hypertension. So earlier you had to wait 2 to 3 years before using your policy for that. But now with the ABCD chronic care rider, the waiting period is reduced to just 30 days. And finally, the limitless rider. With this rider, you can claim over and above your sum insured once in a whole life. So these were the highlights of the most powerful rider you can add to the HDFC Ergo Optima Secure plan. Each of them can completely change how your health insurance works. And for premium Zone 1, if the ages are 30 and 25, the sum insured is 10 lakh. The premium with HDFC Ergo Optima Secure comes to around 21,356. And this gives you a good idea of the cost for a young couple opting for this level of coverage. Now that we have gone through every detail from the base plan to the option riders, let's talk honestly about whether the HDFC Ergo Optima Secure is really worth buying. So yes, it is truly. HDFC Ergo Optima Secure stand out as one of the most well-balanced and unique plans. With no room rent limit, wider network hospital and an impressive 99% claim settlement ratio, it ensures both convenience and reliability during medical emergencies. And the way this plan multiplies your coverage up to 4x without extra premium is a huge advantage. And the option riders like Parenthood, ABCD Chronic Care Rider and Limitless Rider make it even more flexible and future ready. And if we talk about in terms of waiting period, then waiting period is the same. Accidental cases are covered from day 1. Every policy has 30 days waiting period for initial and 2-year waiting period for specific disease and 3-year waiting period for pre-existing disease. So if you are looking for a comprehensive plan, then HDFC Ergo Optima Secure is definitely worth it. And hope this video helped you to understand this plan better. And if it did, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. And you can also check out the detailed information about its rider displayed on the screen. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.